Cash memory, the application is in control of everything, so nothing is stored in the cache unless the application puts it there. Software managed cache, that the application software controls the cache content, but the cache everything is transparent. So ang cache, the cache uses the same space as the backing store, and the cache can also give content to the backing store. Self-managed cache path. The cache contents are managed by the cache itself, and the cache storage uses a separate namespace from the computer address specifically by application software. So, ang autonomy counts as two parameters, the addressing scheme and the management scheme. So, transparent cache, so implicit controlled by cache, software managed controlled by application, and self-managed controlled by cache, cache path controlled by application. So, the primary classification will be the addressing mechanism. So, ang addressing mechanism is either transparent siya or non-transparent. So, within this classification, the cache content can either be managed explicitly by the client or by the cache, or siya.
So, management of cache content. So, it is important to quantify how effective the management solution classified by